Finding north, without Polaris orientation, is easier than you were told. Most people are taught that finding north means finding Polaris, the North Star. That belief is so widespread that it's rarely questioned, but it's also misleading. Polaris is dim. It's often blocked by trees, buildings, or light pollution. And in many real situations, cars, trains, unfamiliar terrain, it's simply impractical to locate. More importantly, reliance on Polaris trains people to think that orientation requires memorizing constellations. It doesn't. This video has 3 goals: to dismantle that assumption, to replace it with something simpler, and to point you toward the full methods explained on the website. Goal 1. Break the Polaris myth. The sky does not hinge on one modest star. There are ways to find true north depend on Polaris at all, some of them more accurate, and some requiring no astronomical knowledge whatsoever. One of the most reliable methods uses nothing more than Earth's rotation and a few minutes of patience, watching how a star moves directly overhead. This alone should unsettle the idea that Polaris is essential. It isn't. It's merely convenient, sometimes. The website documents several such alternatives, including methods with no systematic error at all. Goal 2. Replace memory with motion. Most people think celestial navigation is about recognizing objects. In reality, it's about watching how they move. Anything rising is in the eastern half of the sky. Anything setting is in the western half. Objects that rise or set very slowly near the horizon mark north or south. This works whether the object is a star, a planet, the moon, or even the sun. You don't need names. You don't need charts. Motion itself gives direction. These principles are universal, hemisphere-dependent, and astonishingly undertaught. The full explanations, with diagrams and examples, are available online. Goal 3. Restore the sun and moon as compasses. There's a common myth that celestial navigation only works at night. Historically, the opposite is true. Explorers, especially polar explorers, navigated primarily by the sun, using geometry rather than magnetism. The moon, in turn, can be used to locate the sun even when it's below the horizon, turning nighttime into delayed daylight for orientation. These methods are old, reliable, and precise when used correctly. They were standard knowledge once. Now they're nearly forgotten. The complete procedures, accuracy limits, and historical sources are all laid out on the website. Polaris is optional. Orientation is simpler than you were told. Once you stop thinking of the sky as a collection of named objects and start seeing it as a system in motion, direction becomes unavoidable. If this video changed how you think about finding north, the full, unsimplified material is linked below. Learn it once, and the sky is never unfamiliar again. If you want the complete methods, without simplification, the full explanations are available at the website linked below.